Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Archer and Olive. I didn't have a video last week because I was on PTO all this week. So I'm starting from August 9th, and this week I thought I would be using According to Allie's Iced Coffee because I feel like that's going to be the mood I'm going to need coming back to work. And I'm also going to be using some of my own stickers. I can't believe I'm saying that. My own stickers, incorporating some of these, and washi. All right, let's get started. All right, so I am actually really excited to be using these stickers from According to Allie, but also, where's my whiteout? I'm like a hot mess here. Just white these out because I would like to use my own stickers. I seriously still can't believe I'm saying that. My own stickers. Ugh. Okay. So let's put down Monday. So these are the transparent ones. And I think what I'm going to do before I even put that down is actually put circles using my mild liner, and then I will write down the date. Then I'm gonna go in and put my stickers down. Love it. I'm gonna speed through the rest of it because it's gonna take me forever. Love the transparent stickers. I'm so happy with that. So then what I'm going to do, because I do have meeting tasks and to-do stickers, I'm going to do a little bit of a highlight with this, and then I will put those in. Oh my gosh, it's not straight, but I love it. And then I'm going to just do circles for how many meetings I'm having each day. And somebody did ask, how do you know ahead of time meetings? And they're all in my Google Calendar. And then the last one I'm going to put down is tasks. I'm debating actually whether to put down washi for it or just do to-do and tasks. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to actually letter these in. I want to use the stickers, but I also want to do some lettering in here. That took way too long to decide. I really love the way that that looks, and now I have the, I guess, freedom to go ahead and start decorating with Allie stickers. So I'm also going to white out where it says Saturday and Sunday because I don't use that, well, I don't work on the weekends. I actually use this bottom portion here for notes, but this is also a great place to put decoration. And I will probably use this whole sheet for this. So I have these washi, but I also have this washi from the Washi Tape Shop. I love the grid. And I'm gonna do a little bit of the Simply Gilded. Oh my God. Love. Oh, move that down just a bit. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put this Rise and Grind right here. Yes. Oh. And then put a little bit of this, these two washi together in the middle. I love the way the two look together. Then this, I love this because you put it down on the page and it makes it look like you've spilled your coffee. So let me put this down up here. second it looks like I had a spill of my coffee. Because of course I would have. And one here. Oh my god, I'm in love. But first, coffee. Especially coming back to work. Actually, I'll combine it up here, so it looks good there. Then I have these two, 1, 2, 3 left. I feel like I should put it down like this and then put Monday there. I'm going to put this big coffee. Okay. I don't want it to tear. Right here. And this one I'm going to put right over the tasks. And like I got it spilled right in the middle. And then this last one will go right here. Oh my god, gorgeous. And I almost feel like I don't need too much else, although part of me is like, washi it up. Add that washi. Just where? Just a tiny bit here. I was wondering whether I was going to get to use this 10mm, but I love the 10mm washi. Love it. Oh my gosh. I'm done. I am done that spread. I'm in love with that. I love it because it's simple, but it looks like I've spilled coffee, which is basically what I feel like my week is going to be. And I was able to use my own stickers. So I don't know if you guys caught my Instagram live on Friday, but I'm basically going to be opening my own sticker shop on August 14th. I will leave more details on a community post closer to the time, but I am so excited. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.